Ich bin ein bisschen überfordert. Ich weiss nicht, was ich machen soll. Ben?
Talk to you later, Ben.
Nein, ihm
Bye.
sage ich es nicht. Ihm traue ich nicht. Aber euch zwei sage ich es. Und der Lilly auch. Komm, ich sag's gerade da,
Hi,
den
guys.
meisten. Kenny, hast du Zeit?
Kenny, you got
Katja
a
sag ich's
second?
gerade nicht.
I need to tell you something.
Sure, pal. What you got?
It's serious.
Ist ernst.
Oh, no. What'd the she-devil do to you?
Shut up, man.
Ich bin auf dem Weg ins Gefängnis gewesen vor 3 Monaten.
On my way to prison 3 months ago.
No shit.
No shit.
Yep.
It wasn't for touching kids, was it?
Oh, man, come on, man.
What?
Hey.
I gotta ask.
No.
Ja, stimmt schon.
Killed a guy in a fight.
Must have been a real piece of shit if you had to haul off and kill him.
So we're straight then.
Lee, look at everything this mess has got us doing now. I'm sorry you went through whatever you went through. Yeah, we're straight.
Alright. I hope so. Und jetzt ist das Wichtigste, wenn wir es der Lilly auch sagen, weil ich weiß echt nicht, Mann, ob ich sie mir absagen, aber nein, ich sag's ihr. Komm.
Find anything?
Ich muss dir etwas sagen.
I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Ich hätte ins Gefängnis gehen, bevor da das
I
Zeug
was sent to
angefangen hat.
prison before the plague.
You think that's news?
Ja,
Guess I
Logo.
hoped it was.
Worse. Did you think that story died with my dad?
Nein.
Anything else?
No.
Ja, immerhin habe ich es ihr gesagt, aber ich möchte sie noch fragen, ob sie irgendwie sich vorstellen könnte, da wegzugehen.
Find anything?
Wirst du jemals von da
Do you
weggehen?
ever want to leave here?
I want to leave here when we have to, not because of some fantasy of somewhere better.
So, you think the coast is a pipe dream?
Don't you? We're going to live on the water because we assume they can't swim? We're alive because we've stayed here. That's as far as the discussion needs to go.
Machst du Sorgen wegen der Moral?
Are you
So?
worried about morale at all? The darker things get, the more we have to worry about people giving up.
Tell me about it. You're worried about people's moods? Have an ice cream social.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Alright. Wo können wir weitermachen? Hä? Okay, strange. Duck. Hast du etwas
Stay
gefunden?
inside the gate.
I will.
Heißt das so viel wie ich gehe raus, hä? Alright, alles klar. Das hätte ich vorher eigentlich schon merken sollen, hä? Da komme ich nicht... da komme ich einfach nicht durch, gut, recht. Also, ist das Gate echt? Nein. Hä? Wo ist unser Tor? Ich will doch rasch raus dort jetzt schauen, was dort draussen los war. Aha, ach Mongo.
Somebody was over here, too.
See, I did good, huh?
Ja, ist
Yeah,
gut
Duck,
gemacht.
you did. I suppose I should go out there and look around.
Ah, jetzt.
You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
Eben, das ist doch unser Tor, was ich denke.
Those bandits gave us hell, but they've been quiet for days now.
Aha, alright.
There's a grate down there.
Was ist denn das? Lüftungsschacht. What the hell? Ah, das sind die geklauten Sachen. Hä? Voll. Medizin.
Son of a bitch.
Wer ist es gewesen, Mann? Hey, ich habe einen Sack
You haven't
gefunden.
come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this. It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall. And there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Wer verkauft da etwas
Okay,
raus?
we line everybody up. Everybody. Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die. What is the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need?
Das ist nicht okay.
The hell?
Hä?
You don't fucking steal from us!
Who the fuck is that?
Was?
Y'all
Got
better
our
get
people
your
out
asses
there.
out here. We ain't fucking around!
Oh, shit.
Lily.
Shit! They're gonna start kicking in doors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you?
Stall him.
What?
Just keep him talking. Do whatever it takes to stop him pulling the trigger.
Okay,
You
okay,
made the biggest mistake of your life!
okay, okay.
Shit.
Shit, das ist
Enough of this bullshit!
ihr Auto
Drew,
gewesen.
stop putting your boot to these doors! Yeah! Hold
Hey.
it, asshole!
Take it easy.
Hey, easy. Okay,
We
hey,
have
wir
more
können...
supplies.
Wir haben mehr,
We
ja,
can
ja.
keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead! We ain't giving second chances.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
Ja, hey,
I'm
hey, hey.
listening.
Wir lassen euch alles, wir lassen euch
We'll leave you
alles.
everything.
Hey, hey, hey.
Just let us walk out of here.
Lasst uns
So
sein.
you can try to pay us a little visit later? Fuck that!
Nein, okay.
Alright! I've had enough of this shit! Drew!
Nein.
Take these motherfuckers! Christ!
Wow.
Oh shit!
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, Carly. Wow, wow, wow. Lee. Nice, Arsch. Nicht in den Kopf. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Get back. Oh shit.
Smoke him out!
Nein, Ben. Oh,
We gotta get out of here!
No shit!
Get those bastards! Cover our people and get them to the RV!
okay. Cover people. Yes!
Go around, shit, the brains, he's back there!
Wo sind sie? Oh nein, oh
Now,
nein.
get over here. Hurry!
Gut.
You saved our asses.
Ja,
Get
sicher.
inside.
Lilly! Klemm ist drin, oder?
Katja, hang on!
Ja, hang on. Yes, du Wichser, hast verdient!
Where is he? He's hiding behind that van! Get your asses around behind!
Oh shit. Yes, du Arschloch. Komm, schau führen. Also. Oh, shithead.
Katja, hurry, come on!
Come on. Ja, klemm, gang
Get
rein.
inside the RV.
Rein.
It's gonna be okay. Go!
Nein, Katja.
Christ!
Sind gebissen worden?
Lily, get in the RV!
Screw her! Let her stay!
Nein, sicher nicht. Okay, nein, nicht jetzt. Jetzt, wo sie uns noch schützt hat. Lilly! Oh. Wow, Kinder, nein! Wie pervers! Lilly! Ach fuck, ich habe nur einen Zombie-Kopf gesehen, wie ist mir keiner in den Hand gewesen.
Lily, last chance, get down here!
Lilly!
Shit!
Nein, Kenny. Oh, don't dare you. Yes, jetzt geschafft. Get out of here. Oh, wow.
Cat, Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh shit.
Tag ist besser geworden, ich weiß
Everything's
es.
fine. Everything's not fine. We need to figure out how this happened. We just lost everything.
Well, we're lucky as shit to have this RV.
And nobody died.
Cat's head is split open.
I'm fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
Ja,
This
das
is
stimmt.
different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Yep.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
Wer hat da
It's
Geschäfte
true.
gemacht?
So, Carly, is there something you want to say?
Please,
We have to get it out of you then.
back off.
You're in no position to make demands.
Whoa, 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 you're just pointing fingers.
I didn't just come up with this. I've had my
Wieso sie?
suspicions.
Why her? It seems like a stab in the dark, Lily.
Ja, sag
She's
wieso.
always so eager to see what supplies we found. She never talks about her family. She could be related to those bastards for all we
Whoa,
know.
my family's not a bunch of meth-riddled forest people. They're fucking Lutheran.
You're not saying it wasn't you.
It wasn't me.
Like, look, maybe we should vote or something like that.
Vote? What?
Just look. Carly's a stand-up gal, and maybe this was all just a
We
mistake.
need to look at the facts.
Ja,
Let's
wir
calm
müssen aufhören,
down,
irgendwie den
we'll
Finger
eat and we'll deal
rumzuzeigen,
with it.
Mann.
Lily, stop waving the finger at everybody. We know something's going on, and we can get to the bottom of it if we keep our heads.
I know what we found.
Ja, fuck,
I know.
Mann. Es ist so schlimm.
Nobody was stealing anything.
Bist du gewesen,
Was
Ben?
it both of you?
What?
I've seen you two together. Was it both of you?
Look, just let me out. I didn't do it, but I don't like this. I don't like where it's headed.
Aha.
Look me in
Ich auch
the
nicht.
eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Lily, lay off of him.
Shit!
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
Na,
Well,
komm mal.
we can deal with this now then.
Kitty, is it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out.
Oh, wow. Lassen wir wirklich jemanden zurück jetzt? Der unter dem Auto kommt sicher noch für, musst schauen. Okay.
Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
Aha.
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
Yep.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody thinks.
I think you should chill out.
I'm not gonna take this. You can push Ben around, but you can't push me around.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Wait, I'm starting to think maybe it was both of you.
No!
Ah, this dumb fuck Walker.
You okay over there?
Yeah. Son of a
Ben,
bitch.
you have no other options
Leave
here.
him alone.
You can tell me it was
Hey,
Carlos,
nein,
and
ich mach da nicht
everything
mit, Mann.
was
Ich
right
mach da
as
nicht
rain.
mit.
I'm not doing this.
Wir müssen alle
You're the
brauchen.
one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Fuck all that. This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Ja.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
I'll get more food,
Ja,
more
hör's-
medicine,
hör's auf.
anything. Just
Stop panicking.
Ja.
Seriously, Ben. You need to stop and just take a breath.
Do we need any more evidence than this?
Fuck evidence. Stop treating him like this.
Shut up, Carly. I've heard enough out of you. Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until that walker is dealt with to tell me it was her and not you.
Stop this. You're torturing him.
no.
Ben,
Stop.
this is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Sucks.
Tell her. Just do it, Ben.
Wait, Jesus, who are you right
Tell
now?
her what? She'll kick me out of the group.
We won't. We
Nice.
understand.
Tell me now.
There. I got him.
Please, let's just get back in
That's
the RV.
not happening.
You think you're some tough bitch, don't you? Like nothing can hurt you. But you're just a scared little girl. Get the fuck over it. Take a page from Lee's book and try helping somebody for once.
Ja. Was machen wir? Also wir nehmen
Now,
sicher alle mit.
what the fuck's the problem?
Nein, 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 nein!
Drop it.
Oh! Nein.
Kenny, what's
Keep
happening?
duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ. Get in. We're leaving this crazy bitch.
She couldn't be trusted, Lee. I swear. Please.
What are we gonna do with her? Leave her for the walkers.
Ken, Lee!
You're not coming with us.
I'll die out here.
I don't care.
You're a murderer, Lily. We can't have you with us.
I'm a murderer. You've had Lee with you this whole time.
I don't care what he did before. If we keep you with us, how long until you get me?
I was trying to protect all of us. I don't have anything left.
Get in, Lee. Let's go, you guys.
Sorry, Lilly. Das ist ein Schritt zu weit gewesen. Beschuldigen, Streit, immer der ganze Terror. Das ist ein Schritt zu weit gewesen. Sorry. Lass mir bitte die Waffe dort.